Hello, my Sparkle team. Welcome back to another video with me. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a butter slime. So I made this awesome butter slime, and I didn't even have the right clay. And it's super spreadable, and it's super fun to play with. And I just used this bake shop clay I got from Walmart. So let's get on to the video. Okay guys, so to make this you'll need some glue. So first pour in your glue. Just add the rest of your glue. Then just want to add some lotion and some water, a little water. Okay guys, so I added some water and some lotion. Now I'm just stirring. So basically you just want to make basic slime. You can color if you want to, but I'm not. So here's my slime. So now I'm just going to activate. I'm using borax and water solution. I don't actually have a recipe. I just eyeball it or wing it. So I just add this whole container full of hot water. Then just add not that much borax, but a pretty good amount of borax into it. So you can see it's almost activated. This is also a very satisfying part for me. It's still sticky, so I'm just going to add a little bit of activator. So it's not really sticking anymore. It's not really sticking anymore. So it's kind of sticky, but I'm just going to rub some but some borax on my hand and mixing it in. So you might want to leave it a little sticky, but it's a little sticky. So here's some ASMR real quick before it comes into butter slime. So then you just want to take this clay, also have this brick of clay, and then you want to add some lotion to it. So you guys just want to make your clay soft. Then you just want to add it to your slime and mix it in. I'm pretty sure any clay works, but make sure your slime doesn't have any soap in it, because I tried this before with the same clay, but mine was a soap slime. So that video when I said to add soap to make your slime stretchy, make sure that on this basic slime you make, don't add any soap, or this will not work. So as I can tell, it's getting a little thicker and a little bit stickier, just a little bit, but you can always fix that. So there are a few chunks, but I'm just pressing it down and flattening it out. It's probably not enough clay, but this is all I have left. So I'm just activating a little bit. And there's still a few chunks in there, but it's moving out. I just watched a YouTube video and I found like butter slime with like normal clay without model magic. So I tried it and it worked. So here it is. The clay is not all mixed in yet, but it's super thick. And I imagine this is how clay slime feels, or butter slime, just not yellow. Let's see if it pulls. Ooh, that's very nice. I still feel a little bit of some chunks, so I just use like oven baked clay. It's called Bake Shop. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this in Walmart, but if they have different colors, you can use different colors. But I just grabbed white because that's all they have right in there. But look how this is super thick and super. Amira would love this slime. Super thick. Just Amira, if you don't know her, she's an awesome YouTuber. She's the slime princess, and Karina Garcia is the slime queen. But here is Miss Slime is super. Oh, that's a lot of super awesome. So I'm going to do some ASMR for you guys. So. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video on how to make butter slime without Model Magic or Daiso clay. Make sure to subscribe. And I just got 2 new subscribers today, which is totally awesome. So thank you to those 2 new subscribers. And let's keep it going. So make sure I'm just letting you guys know I'm doing the sub for sub. So comment hashtag sub for sub, and I'll sub to you and you sub to me. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. And like, subscribe, and comment down below. And today's question is, have you ever made butter slime? So if you have, comment down below yes. And see you guys next time. Peace.